Right, so I've got to put some oil into my air con system. So this is my blog. If you scroll down, it tells you there. I've just changed the condenser, so I've got to put 1 ounce. 1 ounce of PAG oil, PAG oil. It's the hoses, 0.5, receiver dryer, 0.5. Evaporator 1, accumulator 1.5. If the minor system leak, 0.5. And if it's empty, 1.5. They're ounces, and that's for cars only. And if it's the compressor, you basically, when you take the compressor off, you pour the oil out into a set of scales. You measure the exact amount, and then you replace that into it. Obviously new stuff, they don't use the old. So I'm going to use this to inject it. So if you have a look, it's got scales on. I've set it at 1 ounce. So you just fill it up. Then you put the lid on. Bleed all the air out so that there's fluid coming out to the end. Then you connect your quick adapters and attach it to the car, and then slowly turn the body of it and it'll inject it into the car. So that's what I'm going to do next. Put 1 ounce in because it's a condenser. Right, so I've got the oil in. It's set to 1 ounce. I've bled the pipe work, purged it of the air till oil come out of this connector here. It's connected up, screwed down. I'm going to inject it into the low side with the engine running, so the compressor picks it up and takes it wherever it's got to go. So I'll do that now. Just going to start it up. Okay, that's it. Alright, so I'm going to empty this compressor. That's what you have to do when you change the compressor, you just measure your oil in it. So you take the oil refill bolt out and just let it drain out. So that'll go about 75 grams. So 75 grams in that, so that's what you have to inject back into your system.